How to change rear wiper blade on a Mazda MPV? Is this the question brought you here? Then you are watching the right video. This is a 2003 Mazda MPV DX. You may have different wiper blade installed on your vehicle, but I'll show you the one installed on this vehicle. So let's start. Look at this tab. Take a flathead screwdriver and then just pull up this tab. Then look at this. There is a gap there, so you just need to slide down and then turn, and then it comes out. It's that easy. So basically, oops, that wasn't good. Make sure you're holding the wiper arm firmly or you may damage the glass. So basically, if you looking at this this thing here, basically if you are looking at this thing hooks into here. So we're gonna put it back now. So in order to put it back, just put this in, slide it down, and then push this tab down to lock it and make sure it's secured properly, and then test it to make sure it's working good. And that's it. If you like this video, please hit like, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe now and hit the bell notification. Thank you for watching.